of the most incredible additions to the Decatur area is the new Vila Food Works. Whether you're meeting a friend for dinner, grabbing a quick coffee, or just having a weekend outing, Vila Food Works adds an incredible lifestyle amenity to the neighborhood. That's why this part of the city is one of the area's most desirable places to live. Our newest listing at 2309 Second Ave is right in the heart of it all. With lifestyle, location, and luxury, can't get any better. Let's go check it out.